Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to come on and let's talk about a new product that came out in the drugstore recently. So the product that I am talking about is the L'Oreal True Match LUMI Glow More Drops. Now I saw this in the drugstore and I was like, oh, the drugstore, at least my drugstores around me, have a like drop highlighter, liquid drop highlighter, kind of similar to like the Cover FX, Iconic London, things like that. And personally, I never actually found a reason why I needed to have those kind of liquid drop highlighters, just because I just feel like they're just not overpriced. It's just I didn't feel like I needed to spend the money on that type of product when I had so many other like powder highlighters that I loved already. So when I saw this in the drugstore, I was like, okay, perfect opportunity for me to try a liquid highlighter type product. So that's what we're gonna test out today. So I picked this up at my local CVS. That was the only place that I've seen it so far. It could be like in Walgreens and other drugstores like that, but I personally found it in CVS and I spent $14.99 on mine. It's also $14.99 on the website, and the description of the product says, the ultra lightweight formula has a thin, non-greasy texture that blends seamlessly into the skin to build luminosity. True Match LUMI Glow drops provide your skin with rich hydration. Available in 2 universal shades, these versatile highlighting glow drops can be worn by all skin tones. Use the Daybreak shade for a cool glow and the Golden Hour shade, which is this one that I have right here, for a warm, sun-kissed glow. The website says if you want more of a natural glow, use 1 drop. If you want more an intense glow, use 2 or more drops. So we're gonna test that out today. Let me go ahead and do a swatch on my hand just to see how the color translates on my skin. So this is 1 drop on the back of my hand, and let's blend that out. Ooh. Okay, that's really, really pretty. Alright, so now that the foundation is on, I don't even have concealer and I didn't set my makeup as well, I'm gonna go ahead and use the drops. Now the website says that it's best to use it with a sponge or your fingers. I'm gonna try with my fingers on one side and I'm gonna try with the sponge on the other side. I have a feeling though that I'm gonna like this a little bit more with a sponge versus my fingertips. So I'm gonna try it first with my fingertips, kind of rub it together and just pat it. Ooh. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, a little bit goes a long way. With my fingers, it's not really blending in all that well, so I am going to tap over it with my sponge just to see what that does. And let me just add a little bit more. Yeah guys, I have 3 drops on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna say that 1 drop is definitely enough for both sides. And yeah, I definitely like using the sponge versus using your fingertips. It's giving me a nice, I like the glow that it's giving. Like, it's like a nice reflection. I like that. And the one thing that I like about it is it's not picking up on a lot of the texture that I have on my skin, because I have pretty textured skin, because you know I'm a dude and I have facial hair, and that's just, it is what it is. Dudes with facial hair have texture. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna add 1 more layer of foundation. Just since I didn't set the foundation, I'm gonna add 1 more layer just to see how foundation looks on top of it versus it on top of the foundation. Okay, so far I'm liking it better underneath foundation versus on top of foundation. Just because like right here in this area, it still has like a nice sheen, like a nice glow to it, but it doesn't have that like yellowy like cast to it. So I'm gonna apply it one more time, but just a little bit more sparingly with the sponge. And I'm just gonna do literally one drop on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to take that and tap, tap, tap. On the other side, tap, tap, tap. Nose, tap, tap. And blend that out. So I think I pretty much have like my final thoughts on this product so far. Basically, I would say with this product, less is definitely more. Just because when I first applied it, I applied way too much. And it pretty much looked like I had like a yellow streak on my face. But it did give me a decent amount of highlight, a lot of shine, a lot of luminosity. The one thing I will say though, with the less is more, this is probably really, really good. Like I liked it under the foundation, but not necessarily on top of foundation. So I definitely say this is more so for people who like to use their drops or their highlighters underneath foundation for a more subtle kind of glow from within type of look. And I'm totally in with the glow for within type of looks. That's the type of looks that I go for generally. So I definitely say if you already have like a strobing or a highlighting drop type of product, I say you don't necessarily need this, but if you are on a budget and you wanted to try out a more affordable drop highlight that gives you a glow from within type of look, I say definitely check it out. I didn't pick up the other shade to show you guys just because I felt like that shade, it was like really, really pink. I didn't think it would look good on me. So if you are a deeper skin tone and you've tried the more pinker one, definitely leave a comment below and tell me how that went. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video on my first impressions of the L'Oreal LUMI Glow or More drops. Like I said, I definitely say, you know, get it if it's something that you haven't tried before and you want to get on the affordable side and have that glow within. But if you already have something, I don't think you need it. But if you like these type of videos, if you like seeing first impressions from me, definitely hit that thumbs up button so I can reach the people of YouTube land. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more videos from me, and check out my Snapchat and definitely my Instagram. It's all at DiamantedUane, same way it's spelled here. And I will catch you guys later in another video. Bye.